Howdy everyone, Kyler here. Today is a very special day. You see, Nikki, my girlfriend, is having a birthday. So we are going to head over to the Smoky Mountains and I'm going to sneak away in the morning for some fishing. As you saw in my last video, Nikki was killing it on the panfish. So hopefully she joins me this time so we can have some sort of competition. If not, hey, whatever. But this is my first time going to the Smokies. I don't know of any fishing spots there, so I'm just going to be maybe hiking it and trying to find whatever hole I can put my rod in. So it's going to be hard leaving Huntsville for a little while, but I gotta leave my buddy. Here he is. Hey, partner. His name's Captain, by the way. He's a good friend. So, if you don't mind us, we're gonna get on the road, give you some nice road shots while we're going.
Road shots.
Road shots. And I'll see you on the other side. What's the name of the show?
Ooh, fishing after 3?
So we made it here. Look at this. Look at this view. It's dark. I know you guys can't see.
Look at everything you can't see.
But look at everything that you can't see. There's gonna be some action-packed fishing going on tomorrow. But for tonight, we are about to enjoy the town. Say bye-bye, Nikki.
Bye-bye, Nikki.
Bye-bye, Nikki. Okay, so as an addendum to what I had just said, something that really makes me feel great about staying here is this. A written warning about the bears. So,
See, I tried to warn him about the bears before we came, and he's like, no, bears aren't there. You silly.
so hopefully I don't run into any bears, but if I do, consider me a dead man. I don't think you understand how pretty this is. Oh my God. Where do we even go next? We are. Looks a lot different in the daylight. It's currently 8:07. I meant to wake up at 5, but we'll take it. I can see ducks in the stream down there. Do I see fish? Nope. In fact, I don't even know where the fish would be. Maybe I could follow the stream. Perhaps it gets deeper at some point. Well, guys, I guess it's time to go on an adventure. Phone, keys, wallet. Okay, we're set. Pretty place, especially in the daylight. They gave a bunch of warnings about bears, though. Makes me feel real good about going fishing. Let's get it. Fishing hat is on. View. But this is low profile and simple to carry. Yeah, I use a spinning rod. Ultralight. Let's put the work in. Let's go on a journey. So there's water that's running all through there. I believe if I follow it for long enough, it's probably a place deep enough to fish at. I can't get over how gorgeous this place is. So here's the stream. There's got to be some deeper spots. I suppose I could just follow the walkway up. Stream this low, I doubt there'd be any fish in it, actually. A fishing show that's just an adventure might just be what's happening. Hope not. Pretty looking. No sign of fish. Water rocking. Woo, 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 water rocking. I'm not too worried about stepping in the water so much as these boots are waterproof. As I say, always wear your boots, kids. And no way that's deep enough. Made it. Oh, look. I don't know. I don't see any bait fish. I do, actually. I do see bait fish. One thing about Gatlinburg, everyone here smokes. I just found it to be alarming, actually. It gets deeper right there. The thing about these 1-inch gulp minnows is that they have liquid that leaks everywhere. So I drain out most of the liquid in here so it doesn't, you know, cause a huge stink. That's exactly what it does. You definitely don't want it stinking up your tackle box. I even keep the lid on just so I know I'm not messing up $50 worth of lures. There we go, get your feet wet. Now, of course, I don't see a whole lot of fish. I do want to give this place a try before I move on. I'll be using my ultralight underneath a bridge and a current, casting it back there. Oh, I got a hit. Unless that was just a rock. Oh no, this is tiny, tiny bait fish going after it. Incredible. Nothing bigger though. I'm worrying. I might be wasting my time under this bridge. Oh my God, look at all of them. All right, made it. Let's move on. So let's see, 837. Let's try to find some places on GPS. So I saw on Google that Christ in the Smokies was a good place to fish. At least a nice place to try. Let's give it a shot. If we don't catch anything, we don't catch anything, but we had a great adventure. That's interesting. House of Lost Souls. Oh look, he's fishing. How the hell did he get over here? I guess he just waited. Excuse me, is this the only fishing spot around?
Hey, my first time too, mate. All the way down, before you want to go.
Gotcha. I've been looking for a place that's deep enough, it's hard to find.
Hey, this is a good spot right here, man. You get over here, it's a good damn spot. Down there, another good spot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good holes, man.
Awesome. Thank you.
I love it.
All right. Alrighty then. So as far up as I want to go. Okay, that's what I'll do. So the internet was right. This is where you go. Oh, it's a cat. Some sort of wild cat. That's weird. Oh no. Yeah, I can definitely see him down there. Of course, my aim is not to cast far, so I can see where the fish are. No luck. While this place does have fish, none of them are aggressive enough to actually, or rather big enough, to take the lure. Suppose I'll just have to find a new spot. Alright, let's slip, fall, and die. Oh man. There we go. Made it. This is deep enough. Oh yeah. This is great. Oh, and I can see fish. Excellent. There's lots of birds. Even excellenter. I wonder if these fish are really pressured. I can definitely feel hits, but it's from tiny fish. That's a fishing line. Yeah. People definitely fish here. What's a bass? It's a tiny bass, but still a bass. This is some of the most boring fishing. Trying to figure out where to fish? So am I. You got ultralights? Gotcha. Oh, cool. Want the spot? It's a little tricky. This is the only spot I found in a while that's deep enough. And you can see fish on further that way too.
What's that?
You can see fish on further this way too, right under the bridge.
Right.
I didn't even know there was a fly fishing tournament.
Yeah,
Let me move my stuff out of the way. Oh no, that's okay. I'm not a fly fisherman. I'm using my ultralight and a really tiny hook.
Yeah, that's what you want.
Yeah, I'll get out of you guys' way.
No, you're fine. You're fine. I'm just looking right now. To
Sure.
tell you the truth.
So are we free to move around as much as we want?
Yeah. I'm gonna head this
Yeah,
way, man.
yeah.
Excuse me.
All right.
We can't start just yet.
I see.
There's not as many contests. We ready to start?
15 after, you can go. Ryan, let's go.
Hey, I'll get out of your way if you need me to.
Huh?
I had no idea there was a tournament today.
Yeah, I'm one of the controllers to measure and
I
make
see.
sure everything's legit. They did stock some. We did have them stock
Uh-huh.
in here. Further up, there's some fish up there. Up, maybe a couple hundred yards, 300 yards.
Gotcha. I've been looking. Thank you.
You could see them from the sidewalk.
Okay. I appreciate that. Looks like we just got a tip, guys. Let's follow it. Hello. So, I had no idea that there was a fly fishing tournament. However, our friend, the judge, has given us good insight on where we need to go. So that's where we're going. Of course, I'm not a fly fisherman by any stretch, but this adventure has been interesting. Are you part of the tournament as well? Are you part of the tournament as well?
Well, I'm kind of young.
Okay.
You come to fish in it?
I just can't, no, not part of the tournament. I didn't even know the tournament was happening.
Yeah, I was gonna have a couple hours.
That is interesting. They said it stocked 300 yards. I'm looking for really small fish, but apparently there's a fly fishing tournament right up there. I didn't want to bother them.
There's somebody down there, they're filming him.
Okay. This place looks right. I see fishing line. Somebody's fished here before and lost their stuff. Let's get down in a safe way. Ugh, made it. Well, looky here. What was that? This could work. Looks like our bass rod's not going to get any work here. From what we've seen so far, the way of the world is fly fishing. A world that we are not part of. Oh my God, there's fish. I do see them. They're way on the other side. If I can cast to that rock, I might be set up.
Have you made it there?
Well, it's interesting. I've been fishing the small spots with my ultralight, and as it turns out, today is the day of a fly fishing tournament.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you can't fish there?
Well, I can. I'm just not a fly fisherman, so I'm not really part of the tournament. I feel like I'm just getting in the way.
You just what?
I feel like I'm just getting in the way, actually.
Yeah, I was going to say, I'm surprised they're actually letting you fish there. If there's a tournament that's actually going on, maybe you shouldn't fish there.
Yeah.
Are there any spots you can go where there's not people fly fishing?
Yeah, that's where I'm at right now. But there's
okay.
some demarcation points that they can go and they can't go. And
I gotcha.
I'm outside of it.
Mm.
But I've
Have you
walked.
caught anything yet?
No.
Oh, but you've walked what?
I've walked maybe 2 miles.
Where you from?
Huntsville, Alabama.
Go rock capital of the world.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not fly fishing, so I was gonna move out of you guys' spots.
You're fine, man. You're fine.
Well, looks like we got a lot of walking to do, friends. I'm finding out that the demarcation point is actually a lot further down than I thought.
Did you get kicked out?
No. They're actually really nice dudes. Fly fishing is very interesting. I like how they're doing it. One dude's standing like waist deep in water, not even waders, he's just walking.
Yeah, you get to whip the pole back and forth a bunch of times.
Yeah, that's exactly what he's doing, actually. I did find some good spots, though, that were immediately taken over by fly fishermen. But hey, whatever. They're having a tournament, I'm not.
Right. Yeah, they paid to be there.
Yeah, so I
Let
left.
them have their space.
Yep.
I'm gonna head back that direction.
Okay.
So I guess call me if you need me to pick you up, okay?
You may find me walking on the road.
Okay.
All right.
That's where I always like to find my men.
Yep. When I checked into the hotel, they said the water might be too low for fishing. Maybe they're right. I don't know. I'll continue on. This might be deep enough. There's even a passageway. Let's try it out. It's a down tree. Lots of places for fish to be. Oh, yes. Yes, indeedy. Not the deepest water, but I do see bobbers. Somebody has tried to fish here before. I will follow in their example. Stop laughing at me, duck. Oh, not much here either. Found a spot high enough to fish. And I messed up the cast. This gives me high levels of anxiety just being up here. So I did find a good spot. I don't have the weight on the lure to actually cast it in there reasonably well. That sucks. Oh, no go there either. We'll make one more stop and then I'm out. 10:32. I'm sure my girlfriend wants to spend some time with me. None of this looks any better. Looking up there, it doesn't look any deeper either. I don't know, man. I think fishing might be a bust today. Well, damn. I guess I'll turn back after all. See you tomorrow, folks. For now, let's spend time with the girlfriend, get some breakfast, and relax for the rest of the day. See you guys in a bit. Want to take a selfie with the horse?
Vince is keeping our love apart.
I see. Horse is out there chilling. How are you liking our vacation so far?
Oh, it's good. Wait, no horses. Tomorrow there's llamas.
Diablo, you are a giant horse. I want you to know that. Huntsville, Alabama. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. Oh God. Diablo. Hey. Hey, come on. My good friend Diablo here has put me in every tree that I could possibly go. Diablo. What are you fishing for, bass?
Yes, sir.
Good. You got a favorite lure? You finesse worm or?
I'm over the fence with, it is like I'm big Texas rig or a pop bar or a whopper flopper.
Hey, Whopper Flopper's my favorite.
That's all I'm big with.
Yeah, just about me too, man. Diablo, come on.
Look at me.
Ponds, creeks, stream, you name it. I go there. What? Oh yeah. This horse is everything. If I actually owned a horse, this is the horse I'd like to own.
The one that doesn't want to go.
It is giant, yes. I'd ride him in battle lazily. So I'm here with llamas.
You're so pretty. Buddy.
Hey, buddy.
Oh my gosh.
Can we pet him? This is great. Hey, buddy.
Aww.
Hey.
Politician, for sure.
You're so pretty.
So now that you're all dried off, are you friendly yet? You're pretty. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. What is that supposed to mean? Oh my God, you're so soft. Thank you.
Oh, peanut butter. Can I touch you? I haven't got to touch you yet. Oh, peanut butter. I've taken so many pictures of you, but you're my favorite one.
We gotta do it fast.
I think he just doesn't understand the selfie.
We gotta do it fast.
Well, I
go.
have the 2-second timer. That's the slowest I can
All right,
get.
go ahead and time it, and now let's start.
Okay. 1,
All right.
2. Thank you, Tommy. You're such a good llama.
So, as you can see, my fishing attempts yesterday were kind of a failure. Really a failure. We went all through the creek right below there, caught nothing, and when we did find a good spot, turns out that there is a fly fishing tournament at the same time. So, kind of got, I wanted to respect the fly fishing tournament, and I left. Overall, this wasn't really a fishing trip. It was more of a spend time with girlfriendship. However, I'm plotting some revenge. I think later this month I'm coming back. I'm gonna be doing a part 2 to this. I am going to catch a fish in Gatlinburg. Trust me. But it's time for us to check out. Had a great time. I hope you enjoyed all the footage that we took. I'm glad you watched it with me. And I hope you're enjoying the vlogs. I really enjoy doing them. But as I like to say, a bad day of fishing is so much better than a good day of work. So thanks for coming along for the ride. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll have way more content in the future for you. This is Kyler signing out, and I'll see you next time after 5. Have a good day.